Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Nestled in the cool, picturesque, and welcoming town of Mandeville, this tastefully designed 10-bedroom, 8-bathroom mansion is perfect for a large family seeking privacy and personal space while offering ample room for entertaining guests. It sits on a little over quarter acre of land. It also presents an excellent investment opportunity for entrepreneurs in the hospitality or real estate industries. Located in one of Mandeville's most sought after middle to upper income communities, the partially occupied property requires only minimal renovations to unlock its full potential. Don't miss this rare gem. Call today to schedule your viewing. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 74 million or US $468.4 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.